welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my first purchase from Chloé, and I cannot wait to share this bag with you guys. So I feel like this was one of the it bags this summer. It has been so hard to find and track down. I have been trying to purchase this bag since pre-orders in spring, and I just always have the worst of luck when it comes to trying to pre-order anything. But with that being said, I purchased the Chloé Woody large basket tote. I think because summer is coming to more close to an end, it was easier to find this bag, although it was only like in stock for not even an hour on the website at like 11 o'clock at night. So I think I got really lucky. Right now, looking at the Chloé website, it is still sold out and I can't find it on any other department stores. But that's just, I think, because of how popular the bag has been this summer. But yeah, I, like I said, have had my eye on this for a while. So I really wanted to share my thoughts on the bag and share a little bit more details on why I've just been wanting this bag. I also will share what's inside and first impressions. So this came in a few days ago and I've been using it ever since it came in. And for the first week so far, I've loved using it. I think it's like the perfect tote. Luckily I live in Texas too, so it's gonna be summer for like another 6 months. So I don't have to worry about it becoming fall or winter and not wanting to use it. But yeah, so I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on the tote, and one thing that I feel like a lot of people don't mention is the background of this tote and why I think it's so hard to get. So each of the Chloé Woody hand baskets are made by hand. This bag was made in partnership with the World Fair Trade Organization, and so this is the first luxury fair trade item. And I've never heard another video like go into that or those details. So if you look inside, you'll see the collaboration with Chloé, and I can't pronounce the name. I'm not even gonna try and butcher it. But inside you also get the person's name who created the bag. And so I think that is just an amazing part of this bag and why it makes it so unique. And that's the reason why I fell in love with it and why I wanted it. Besides it being, you know, a really cute spring and summer tote, I just really love the background of this tote. But yeah, I just really wanted to share that if you are watching review videos because you're interested in this bag, that's something to, I feel like, keep in mind, and something that I really love about this bag. But yeah, as for details on the bag, it is 11 inches in width, it is 18.9 inches in height, and 11 inches in depth. The strap drop is 9.1 inches, but I've just fell in love with this bag from the beginning, and I love it even more in person. This is a bag, again, to take into consideration if you're not okay with a bag that wears, or a bag that you know, is just going to not really hold its shape. This probably, I wouldn't recommend this one at all. It just wears very easily, and that's just the nature of the bag. And again, that is because it is a handmade bag and it is a raffia bag, and that's just how they are. I personally don't mind. Like I said, I love the style, and that's just some of the details on the tote and the quality. You do get the Woody straps with leather lining up top, and then at the base you have the straps that connect, and then you get the Chloé leather stamp at the bottom, and this helps also when you like place it on the ground as well, so it helps protect the raffia just a little bit. And yeah, here's a little bit again with wear, so how it's kind of shaped right now. One thing that I do wish that I could find, and maybe if y'all have this bag as well, you can link it, but I would like an organizer, just because this is a tote and maybe an organizer would help shape it, because it is circular at the base and more like a tote up top. It is kind of oddly shaped, and it is very easy to lose things in here. I've been keeping just a few items in here that I'll throw in here again so y'all can see, and I still feel like I have to dig through the bag to find just these smaller items, but I honestly don't mind. I would just prefer an organizer, and I feel like that might help keep its shape. But yeah, that is the Chloé Woody tote, a little background on it, and I love it. Again, I recommend this bag just because I love that it is a one-of-a-kind bag because it is handmade, so there's not a single one like it, so they all are a little different, and to me, I feel like that just creates the value in itself. Not to mention you have the person who created the bag's name inside. That's just something that I really love about the entire collection and this bag. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna show y'all what fits. So I've showed y'all what I have in here, what I've been carrying, but I also just want to show y'all what like an iPad looks like in here, just in case you have kids, or like your planner and so on. So let me turn the camera around. Okay, so we have an 11-inch iPad Pro and its keyboard case inside of here, the Erin Condren Life Planner, and then the Louis Vuitton Large Ring Agenda, and they all fit in here perfectly. Again, it's a circular base, so you can fit a lot at the base, and then it also fits small ring agenda. I have my key pouch and card holder in here, sunglasses, wallet, and then it also fits the large cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton all in one. I wouldn't recommend putting too much in here, again, just because of the nature of the bag. I wouldn't really put a lot in here that was this heavy. I feel like you can easily put like a light blanket in here, or like your jacket if it gets too warm while you're out shopping. I personally did that the other day, and it was perfect, and I still had a lot of room as well. But yeah, other than that, that is the Chloé Woody large basket. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.